governor of the New York State, Hochul, has said that mayor of New York City does not have power. And so incoming mayor, Zohran Mamdani, will not be able to arrest Netanyahu or do anything about it if Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu decides to come to New York City. Remember, he has been declared a war criminal, and there are arrest warrants against him issued by the International Court of Criminal Court. So, and Mamdani has said that he will do it. And we talked about this in the previous programs. And I said again and again, a couple of times, that his first challenge, Mr. Mamdani's first challenge, will come around January 1st, maybe a couple of days before, a couple of days after. That is what Netanyahu decides to do. If Eric Adam and the some members of the New York City councils have invited him to be there on January 1st. Now Netanyahu has said, I will come, and we will see what happens. Governor Hochul is saying that Mamdani doesn't have a power to arrest him, and we'll see what happens. And Mamdani has said that he will work with the existing laws. He's not going to create any new laws. So we'll see what laws are used by either one of the parties on this issue. And if Netanyahu comes to New York City around January 1st. So that will be the first challenge.